So we are on the island of Great Inagua, and we are still conducting our mental health and psychosocial support nodes network initiative. And we had our first meeting a few days ago, and I really want to say that we are appreciative of the island administrators, Mr. Gilbert and Ms. Lightboard, because they are truly the gateway for this initiative, and they have been more than welcoming and opening by contacting the stakeholders. And we had all of the heads of department attending, and it was very informative. And they see the need of mental health, and they are so appreciative because this is the first initiative in all of the years that the mental health concern is now an issue, and we want to talk about it. So that was beautiful. The town hall as well focused on the community members, so we wanted to get a better idea of what their understanding, what is mental health and what is the difference. So one key factor that they mentioned is that they were not aware that it was a difference, and they are aware that everybody suffers from mental health challenges, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they have an illness.
In a tight-knit community such as Inagua, it's really important to be able to equip these local community leaders, these people who are working in local government, these people who are bar and restaurant owners. None of them are mental health professionals, but it's really important to have that basic layer and foundation of psychological first aid. Anybody can administer it, and it's really important because, as was said at the stakeholder meeting and at the town hall, there are no mental health resources here in Inagua. So to be able to equip the everyday person, like it's like CPR, anybody can save a life through CPR. You do not have to be a medical professional. You do not have to be a mental health professional to be able to administer PFA. The Family Island Administrator, Mr. Herman Gilbert, and his Chief Clerk, Ms. Santa Lightbourne, have been instrumental in making this endeavor and initiative as successful as it has been. They have been so gracious, so supportive, just so engaging. None of this would have been possible without them, and I just have so much gratitude for the both of them and their associates, their colleagues at the Office of Local Government. It's just been a pleasure to work with them, and hopefully we can connect and do more things together.
Sometimes some things take a mental toll on you, and you tend to neglect self. Service above self. And a lot of times, those needs are not addressed. You overlook them because all you're thinking about trying to be that provider, trying to address someone else's problem, someone else's issue. Let me deal with my kids, their problem so much not. You put everyone else's needs before yours. Special thanks to the Ministry of Health and Wellness and to the Mental Health Programming Unit for taking this initiative and coming down here to Inagua and addressing this urgent issue.
Brought to you by the Ministry of Health and Wellness.